Okay, so the topic for this webinar is creating stickers and emojis. So what are emojis? Emojis, also known as emojicons, are graphical and sometimes animated Unicode illustrations that can be added to written messages on tech devices like smartphones, computers, and tablets. The purpose of emojis is to fill in emotional cues that are otherwise missed through text when messaging. For example, adding a smiling emoji after a message indicates a positive connotation, whereas a frowning emoji indicates a negative emotion. There are emojis for facial expressions, food, animals, flags, and much more. What are stickers? So virtual stickers are similar to emojis, but larger, more detailed, and there's more variety to choose from. They must be sent individually, unlike emojis, which can be sent with text. There are many different categories of stickers to choose from, including different holidays, activities, characters, emotions, and more. So these are the benefits of stickers and emojis. So first of all, you can express your emotions, expressing certain emotions to indicate how you're feeling through text-based communication. You can substitute body language. You alternate body language by using emoji stickers to reciprocate over text messages. You can demonstrate irony, such as verbal irony, dramatic irony, situation irony. Depending on the irony, certain emojis and stickers may be used to convey that. And you can demonstrate humor, but being humorous by changing your figure of speech by including emojis and stickers. Okay. How to access stickers and emojis on your device. So first you have to hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. Then with the Alt key held down, type the 4-digit code on the numeric keypad for the character you want, including the leading 0 if that's required. This only works on a numeric keypad, not on the row of numbers at the top of any keyboard. Numeric keypads are only available on certain computers. And then after you release the Alt key, your emoji will appear. Some desktop apps have an emoji and or sticker feature that you can access. Like for example, when you open an app like iMessages on your computer and look for the smiley icon for emojis, it's on the bottom right corner. So if you look at the picture and you look at the bottom right corner, there's you can see the icon for emojis, and then right there, after you click on it, you gain access to all the emojis like you would on a phone. And then typically after that, you would click on the emoji you want to add to your message. And then for stickers, you can tap the you can tap the app. And I can't see what's written on the bottom. If the app or program you are using does not have built-in emojis, look up stickers and emojis that can be copied and pasted on Google, or go to a website like getemoji.com. If there's no copy button, press Ctrl plus C to copy your emoji sticker and Ctrl plus V to paste your emoji sticker. These emojis or stickers can be copied and pasted onto any working platform document that you wish. So here's how to add an emoji on Apple mobile devices. So open an app like iMessage and tap the Compose button at the top right-hand corner of the screen to start a new message or to go to an existing conversation. Then you tap the emoji button at the bottom of the search engine, the smiley face icon, then swipe right and left to explore the different emojis. Customize the features of your emojis, like skin tone, hairstyle, eyes, and more. When you're done, click the ABC icon at the bottom of the search engine to go back to the regular keyboard. For an Android mobile device, you just open your preferred messaging app and tap on one of your contacts to start a conversation. Then you tap on the text bar to begin typing. Next, tap on the emoji button, which is at the middle left-hand corner of your search engine, and it'll show a smiley face icon. Then you click on that, and from here you can see possible emoji combinations on top of your device. So this is how to send a sticker on a mobile device. So you would typically, so basically stickers are not available on every app. And when they are, you will see the sticker icon that will look like something like this, the image in the middle. So you would have to tap on the sticker emoji to open up the sticker keyboard. Then you tap the magnifying glass to open the search bar. You type up a keyword and look for a particular sticker or look through the available categories, and you tap on a sticker to send it. You can download additional sticker packs to give you more options to use. Like on WhatsApp, once you're on the sticker keyboard, press the plus button, press the download icon, which is a downward arrow, next to the sticker pack you want to download. Once it's downloaded, a check mark will appear beside the pack, and now you have access to the sticker pack alongside your other stickers. Here's ways to create different stickers and or emojis on your devices. A really and simple way to create different stickers and or emojis is by downloading apps that can help to both create and customize them for you. Here's some possible apps, including Bitmoji, which is a really popular app, Zmoji, Avatoon, Bitstrips, and Mojipop. So Bitmoji is a very interesting and a very reliable app you can use. It allows you to explore and create personalized Bitmojis to look like you. Once a Bitmoji is made, this will grant you access to Bitmoji poses, selfies, and stickers. The Bitmoji stickers can be linked to other sources like messages and be used as emojis or expressions. Zmoji is another good one as well. Zmoji is a site where you can make your own your own emoji avatars. It allows users to build a cartoon avatar that looks exactly like you. A facial scan or a manual creation procedure can be used to generate the avatar. Users can then change the clothing, accessories, and other aspects of their avatars. Avatoon is another cartoon photo editing tool that allows users to create their own cartoon avatars, emoticons, and stickers. Bitstrips, it's a media company that allows people to make their own comic strips with custom animated characters. For Mojipop, it allows you to send animated stickers that are a virtual representation of yourself to your friends. People use Mojipop because of the advanced face recognition technology. Stickers appear to be very lifelike. So for the live demo, it'll be handed to Carly.
So I'm just going to demonstrate a couple different ways to use emojis and stickers, starting off from my computer and then moving on to my smartphone to show the process on different devices. Please note that I'm using a Mac. Depending on the brand and model of your device, the process might look a little differently, but this will give you an idea of what to expect. All right, so I'm going to start off by showing how to use emojis and stickers on iMessage, which is the messaging platform or the texting platform for Apple products. So once I have opened up a message to start composing it, I can use the text field down here to start writing something. And then if I want to use an emoji to add more expression to what I have written here, I'm going to go and click on the emoji icon, which at the moment is to the right. You can see it's just kind of a basic smiley face next to the text field. And if I click on that, it gives me many different options to add expression to what I have written here. There are many facial expressions. If I continue to scroll down, I'll see different categories of people, animals, mythical creatures. Down here at the bottom, you can see even more different little icons that indicate the different categories of emojis. The first one here, which looks like a clock, shows you the ones that you have recently or frequently used. The one to the left of that is smileys and people. Then it's animals and nature, food and drink, activity, and so on and so forth. You're free to browse through the different categories to find the one you want, or if you scroll up to the very top, you'll see the search bar, and you can type in whatever it is you're looking for, a keyword, for example, like food, and then once you've chosen the one you want, you can simply click on it to add it to your message. You can click on as many as you like to add those, and then when you're ready to send, you can just press the enter button. Note that the emojis on Apple will look slightly different than the emojis on Android. For the most part, they have similar options, but there will be some differences, and you may not be able to find all of the same varieties. If you press and hold down on an emoji, it will show you different skin tones that you can use. As well as if we use the example of a person, sometimes, yeah, it shows different hair colors that you can choose as well as different skin tones. So that gives you more options. You can also change the default skin tone variation. And then if you would like to send a sticker, you can go over to the left where you see the little App Store icon, click on that, and it gives you a few options of different things you can attach, such as opening up the Photos application to choose an image. And then underneath we see Memoji stickers. So if we click on that, there are lots of different stickers you can choose from. As you can see, the difference between emojis and stickers is mostly just that the stickers are bigger and they can only be sent by themselves. You can't send multiple stickers at a time. And we have many different themes. There's an octopus right here. We have a cow, a giraffe, and they just expressed many different emotions that you can choose from. They're quite cute. If you want to add something new, you can press the plus button and it will prompt you to download different sticker packages. So I'll leave that for now. WhatsApp, it's very similar. In this version of WhatsApp, the emoji icon is to the left rather than to the right, but as you can see, it looks the same, more or less. It's the smiley face. If you click on that, again, you'll see the different options of emojis that you have access to. And once more, all you have to do is simply click on one to select it. And it will appear down in the text field alongside anything you are writing. So that is how to use emojis and stickers on a computer. I can now go and briefly share how to do it from a smartphone or mobile device. So on a mobile device like an iPhone or an Android, let's once again just use the example of WhatsApp. And from here, as you may or may not know, you can tap on the text field at the bottom to bring up the keyboard, or you can start writing your message. And then to access emojis, here you can see at the bottom left side of my keyboard, there is a key with some numbers on it that will change the screen to numbers and symbols. And then it turns into letters, so I can change it back to the regular keyboard. And beside that, to the right of it, is the smiley face icon to open up the emoji keyboard. And similarly to using on a computer, we have the recent ones on the left, followed by smileys and people, animals, etc., etc. You can use your finger to scroll left and right to see the different emojis that are available to you. And again, you can use the search emoji function to type in something and find exactly what it is you're looking for if you're having trouble just browsing through. Again, just tap on whatever emoji you are interested in. And when you are ready to go back to the regular keyboard, you would just tap on those letters in the left-hand corner where you see ABC, and it will turn back into a normal keyboard. And then on WhatsApp, you would just press that blue key to the right, the blue button with the paper airplane to send your message. When it comes to stickers, in my case, I can see the little button to the right of the text field that looks kind of like a little sticker, which is to the left of the camera icon. If I tap on that, it opens up my sticker keyboard. Again, I can scroll through, choose one I like, tap on it, and it will immediately be sent to my contact. I can see the different categories. And if I want more stickers, I can tap on that plus button to the right in the top right. And here I can see many different sticker packs that are available for free download. I can scroll down to see what there is. I can also look at the My Stickers and see which ones I have already downloaded or which ones are pre-installed. And to download a new sticker pack, just press the little download button next to the one you are interested in, the download button being a downward arrow. It will just take a second, and then once it's downloaded, you'll see that button turn into a check mark, which means it has been properly installed. And now if I go back to my main keyboard, I can see this new sticker pack that has just been installed that I can use now. And then the last thing I will briefly show is using Bitmoji, which is another app that was mentioned. We have done a past webinar on Bitmoji, and the link has been shared in the chat if any of you want to rewatch it or watch it for the first time, but I'll just do a quick refresher. Bitmoji is an app that is more or less connected to Snapchat, but it can be used without a Snapchat account. And you can download stickers for use on different apps like WhatsApp and other texting platforms. So I've already created my Bitmoji, but if you're using it for the first time, you will be prompted to create your own. And what that will look like is you get to choose your hairstyle and hair color. You can choose your skin tone, your eye color, and many other feature options that just allow you to create a Bitmoji that the idea is something that looks more or less like you, that you can then share with friends and family as a sticker who looks like you making different expressions or doing different activities. You can also change it in different outfits. And once you've created your Bitmoji, you have this little animated avatar that and it gives you many different options of little stickers or even comics that you can then share with friends and family. It's just a funny little way of expressing yourself and making your loved ones laugh. So let's say, for example, I want to send this one to someone. Can I have some money? You can then choose different ways to send it to people. You can copy or save the image. You can send it through message. You can send it in an email, over Messenger, or many different communication apps. And that concludes today's webinar. Thanks everyone for listening.